Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this key fob. This is out of a Toyota Camry. You're going to need a number 1 Phillips screwdriver. You're going to want to make sure it's the right size. Any smaller or larger and you're going to destroy this screw. It's extremely fragile. And you're going to need a flat tip screwdriver and of course your replacement battery. This takes one of the 23As. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. I've put a link below in the description and that will take you straight there. Okay, so first order of business, remove that screw. So make sure you don't strip it. These are extremely delicate. Next, take your flat tip screwdriver and just insert it in the back here. Give that a twist and open it up like so. Then take your flat blade screwdriver, pop out your dead battery, and the new battery goes in positive side facing that way, negative this way. Close this up. You can test it right here. Make sure you got your green button and replace your screw and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.